Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of Prestashop custom product and category meta details module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I'll also show you that how using this module, the process of editing or adding the meta details of product or category becomes very easier. So let's just go to the Prestashop back office. As you can see that I have already installed this module in my Prestashop, and this is pretty much the configuration piece of the module. It contains very few options, so I'll just explain you the significance of each option one by one. But before we go to the options and their functions, let me just tell you that after the installation of module, these two new tabs, that is product meta edit and category meta edit, is added. So let me just open these tabs first so that you can have a look at them. As you can see, when view 1 is selected here and all these options are available or enabled, then what are the views of these two pages? For now, these two pages are shown according to the view 1, and the view button is also available against each listing, that on clicking them you can easily have a look at the details that you added and how those details would be shown in the search engine results. Now next is row wise save. For that, let me just tell you, whenever you want to edit the meta details of any product or a category, you need to select that particular box. In case if you want to add all the details one by one and don't want any interruption, then you can simply select all and you can choose to edit any details that you want for a product or a category. The functionality works in the same way. And as you can notice that after clicking the checkbox or a select all button, a new button of a edit is being added against each listing. In case if we deselect any box or this select all button, this edit button would not be available here. So after editing the details, you will find that save button is also available against each listing. In case if this option, let's just disable this option, then on refreshing the page and on editing the details of this particular thing, you will not get any save option again in this list here, or for select all button would be also same, but instead you will get the option to edit the details or save the details, edited meta details here. This save button would be available here because you have disabled this row wise save option from here. Now next is of view 2. In case of view 2, the significant changes will occur on both these pages, and I'll just show you that how this would be shown. This is the view 2. In case of view 2, you would get the preview itself in the page, and in order to edit them, just simply double click on them and choose to edit the details or whichever details you want and click on the save button. The same happens in the case of category 2. Double click on them and edit the details, whichever details you want, and click on the save button. This was the way to edit the details or meta details of the product and category, not in a manner of one by one by going through each product one by one. Instead, you get all the products or the category listing in one place, and you also get an option in case of view 1 to edit all the boxes one by one, so that you don't have any interruption between them, and at last you can simply click on the save button to save all the details in one go. So this was all about the process of configuring and using the Prestashop custom product and category meta details module. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.